Okay guys, today I have a Kobalt 12 volt 120 volt inflator. You can use this for inflating car tires, balls, bike tires, pretty much anything that needs air. The first thing is has attachments for bikes, attachments for mattress or a balloon or a floaty or something like that. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to use it on a tire. This tire has a small leak in it, so I use this thing pretty often. But the first thing you're going to do is, if you do have an outlet, you just use this piece right here. If you don't have an outlet and you just have your vehicle, you just open this side door up and you pull out the cigarette lighter. Now we're just going to plug that in. We're going to open the other side now and get the nozzle out. Next, we're going to hook up the nozzle like that and then push this part in like that to get a good solid fit. So it'll turn on immediately. This tire has 11.5 psi. What we're going to do is we're going to just push this up to see the target psi, put it at 32. Press start, and it will start. Okay, once it's done, we're gonna flip this up and then pull it out really quick. And that's how you do it. It's pretty easy to use and it works very well. I would definitely recommend getting this if you have to pump up tires often, or if you go boating and you need to pump up your tube, or if you go camping you need to pump up an air mattress. I put the link in the description if you're wanting to buy one, and it is pretty inexpensive compared to if you buy it at the store.